Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video. Hadn't seen any of these yet on the internet, so if you're needing to replace the battery in one of your Jag keys like this, you're going to want to get one of your CR2032 size batteries ready to go. Doesn't look obvious how to get in. There's no external screws. First thing you want to do is push and release the key, and then set that aside. You'll need that later. And then pull your side panels apart. They come off pretty easily. Pay attention to the orientation. The slot in the bottom is where these cutaways go. So those come off pretty easily. Make sure to smash the panic button so that your alarm goes off while you're doing this, because that'll make for quality entertainment for your neighbors. And it comes apart pretty easily. Make sure that your push pin and the spring stay in line. It's real easy for them to pop out of alignment or to shift kind of at an angle, and then it won't go back together. So make sure that those stay nice and tucked together. Use the key or one of your side panels. It's a little easier with the key to pry out the battery, and then swap in the new one, and make sure positive side goes down, making sure that everything stays in place. The battery gets held securely, so you snap it back together, and again the slots go to the holes for the key at the end. And then make sure to set off your panic alarm one more time just to annoy the neighbors. And there you are. One Jag key reassembled with a new battery. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.